Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical step lights, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from step lights, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best step lights from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ROSHWEY 12 Pack Outdoor Waterproof Solar Step Lights for Front Porch, Backyard, Patio. Illuminate your outdoor space with the ROSHWEY 12-pack Outdoor Waterproof Solar Step Lights. Designed with a unique triangular shape, these solar lights are perfect for enhancing your front porch, backyard, or patio. Featuring a high-conversion solar panel with up to 21% efficiency, these lights automatically charge during the day and provide bright, warm, white LED lighting for 8 to 10 hours at night. The 3 LED beads in each light offer ample brightness to safely guide you up steps, stairs, or walkways. Installation is a breeze with no wiring required. Just use the included double-sided tape to mount them. Built to withstand the elements, these IP65 waterproof lights are made from durable ABS material, ensuring long-lasting performance even in rain or shine. ROSHWEY's solar step lights combine practicality with style, providing safe and eco-friendly illumination for your outdoor areas. Perfect for creating a charming ambiance after dusk. Number 2. Adlesled Solar Step Lights. Waterproof Outdoor Stair. Solar deck lights for yard, patio. Enhance your outdoor space with AUDLES LED solar step lights, designed to create a warm, inviting ambiance for your yard, patio, or deck. These solar-powered lights feature a high-quality polycrystalline rechargeable battery that provides up to 8 hours of illumination after a full charge. Equipped with a built-in light sensor, the lights automatically charge during the day and turn on at dusk, offering hassle-free, energy-efficient lighting. Made from durable, waterproof ABS plastic and rated IP65, these lights withstand various weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance even in rain or snow. The modern, sleek design fits perfectly along steps, stairs, or garden pathways, creating a beautiful atmosphere for your outdoor spaces. Installation is simple, with both adhesive backing and screws included for easy setup. Whether you're lighting up your front steps or adding ambiance to your backyard, these solar step lights are a fantastic, eco-friendly choice. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with their responsive after-sales service. Number 3. YiLaie LED Solar Round Step Lights. Auto on or off, waterproof stick-on for outdoor. Illuminate your outdoor spaces with YiLaie LED Solar Round Step Lights, featuring an automatic on or off function for convenience and energy savings. Equipped with a built-in light sensor, these lights automatically turn on at night and off at dawn, providing hassle-free lighting powered entirely by solar energy. The 360-degree wide-angle illumination and reflector LED beads offer superior brightness and larger coverage, making them perfect for patios, gardens, pathways, driveways, decks, and stairs. With a high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar panel, the solar step lights charge quickly and provide up to 10 hours of lighting after a full charge. Their durable, high-strength polycarbonate construction is waterproof, heat-proof, and resistant to pressure, able to withstand up to 2 tons of weight, ideal for areas with vehicle traffic. Installation is a breeze with no drilling or screws required. Simply use the included double-sided tape for easy placement on fences, posts, or steps. Enhance your outdoor lighting with these reliable, long-lasting solar lights. Number 4. Volisun 6 Pack Outdoor Waterproof Solar Stair Lights for garden, stair deck, and patio. Enhance the safety and style of your outdoor stairs with the Volisun 6-pack Outdoor Waterproof Solar Stair Lights. Designed with 13 bright LEDs per light, these solar-powered stair lights provide 80 lumens of illumination for up to 8 hours after a full 5-hour charge. Perfect for gardens, patios, decks, and walkways. These lights help reduce the risk of accidents by clearly illuminating each step. Crafted from high-quality ABS materials, they feature an IP67 waterproof rating, making them durable and capable of withstanding all kinds of weather, including rain, snow, and frost. Installation is a breeze with no wiring required. Simply use the included 3M sticky tape or screws for secure placement on your stairs or walkway. These stylish, functional solar lights not only improve visibility, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with Volisun's 2-year satisfaction guarantee. Perfect for brightening up your garden and creating a warm ambiance. Number 5. NiorSun 6-Pack Solar Step Lights, waterproof for outside deck decor. Illuminate your outdoor spaces with the NiorSun 6-Pack Solar Step Lights. These stylish and modern lights are perfect for any deck, patio, or staircase, providing a warm 3000 K light to create a welcoming atmosphere. Featuring 13 high-quality LEDs and a specially designed lens, these solar step lights offer super bright illumination to ensure your steps are clearly visible at night. With a solar panel designed to capture maximum sunlight, these lights only need 4 to 5 hours of sunlight to charge and can provide 8 to 10 hours of full brightness. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures durability in all weather conditions from rain to snow, while the sleek triangular design adds both stability and style to your outdoor decor. Installation is a breeze with no wiring required. Simply follow the easy instructions and enjoy energy-efficient lighting that turns on at dusk and off at dawn. Upgrade your outdoor ambiance and safety with NiorSun Solar Step Lights today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.